Hi, do you have brushes that are a little bit gunky and sticky from many years of using them for painting? These particular brushes I've had probably for about 15 years, and they were some of my favorite brushes, but I haven't used them because of the state of the bristles. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to try cleaning them in a way that I've never done before, but I've heard is extremely effective, and that's using the Murphy's wood cleaner. So let's see how this works. Wow, that's pretty darn good. Look at that. Wow. That's remarkable. I am so happy. So what I think I'm going to do is clean these really well in the Master's brush cleaner and condition them. But that's pretty impressive. That was pretty gunky, that's for sure. And then this, you can just see it's just full of gunk. Wow, I'm really impressed. I'd give this a thumbs up. And look at my beautiful clean brushes. I am so happy. They each one have a new lease on life. I can't wait to use them. If you've ever used this method yourself to clean your brushes, or have even a better method, please leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And I hope you have a wonderful day and come back here to join me really soon. Take care, everyone. Bye.